So let's stand up and bring your feet about hip width apart. Pressing your heel down, spreading your toes. Shoulders rolled up, back and down. And you can go ahead, focus somewhere on the ground. Once you're ready, bring your arms up, interlock your fingers. Inhale and stretch all the way up. Balance. Balance onto your toes. Each time you feel falling, mumbling, don't worry. Try bring your awareness back onto balancing and keep stretching all the way up you can without suppressing your breath. Make sure that you can still keep breathing, and therefore you can keep your shoulders down. You should not doing this, keeping your shoulders down and balance. Your breathing is normal. Good. Exhale, release. Then balance onto the right foot and bring the left foot onto the right thigh. Again, focusing somewhere on the ground will be beneficial, helpful for balance. The palm together. Make sure that your chest is lifting upward. There is a bandha. And you're not pressing too much with this leg. So you're lifting up. Then inhale, bring your arms up, palm together and shoulders down. Balance. Vrikshasana. Exhale, release. Change your leg. So balance onto the left foot, right foot goes onto the left thigh. Focus, palm together, and find yourself balanced. Whenever you're ready, inhale, bring your arms up, palm together, shoulder down. Breathe. Good. Exhale, release. Shake your legs. Then balance onto the right foot again. Bend your left knee. Your right arm up. Inhale. As you exhale, you are going to kick your left leg back, bending forward. So this posture, Natarajasana, is a forward bend, back bend at the same time, balancing asana. So excellent asana to perform. Balance and try kick your leg as back as possible in your body. Do not try to mimic anything, do what is comfortable in your body. Exhale, release, change your leg. So come to the left foot, balancing onto the left foot, bending the right knee. Then inhale, left arm up. As you exhale, kick the right leg back, bend forward. Balance. Good. Exhale, release. Shake your legs. Then feet about hip width apart. It depends on the body. You can keep the feet together or apart. See what is comfortable for you. For me, it's comfortable with the feet open, legs open, so you can check what is comfortable. Then bend your knees. Bend, 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 bend. Palm together. And then bring your right elbow to the left side and push with your hand to lift your chest more up towards the ceiling. Breathe. Good. Come back to the center and then left elbow to the right knee. Inhale. As you exhale, chest towards the sky. Good. Exhale, release, and come back to the standing up position, and then bring the right leg back. Make sure that the leg is right back, so it's not too open, not too in, so you feel nice and comfortable and you're balanced. Then also check if you want this feet, can it go all the way down, the heel down, or otherwise you can lift the heel up. It depends on the ankle joint. Then check your knee and ankle in one line, 90 degree, so adjust, and then bring your arms up, shoulders down. Warrior 1, Vibhadrasana 1. Breathe. Good. In the next exhalation, check the foot pressing down and 90 degree. So the foot and mat is in one line, and then open this leg a little bit more so that you feel nice and stretched. It depends on the length of your body, of course, how long you need to open the leg. You find in your body. So do you need this much, or otherwise you can take the leg a little bit less. For me it needs wider. And then arms to the shoulder level, look forward, like in warrior. Breathe. Good. Come back to the center. Change leg, so right foot open, and then check this foot, lift the heel up, balance. Once you balance, 90 degree, and heel pressing back still, and bring your arms up, shoulders down, breathe. Good. And then the foot flat on the ground, opening the leg, checking what is easy and convenient in your body. And once you're ready, arms to the shoulder level, open, reaching the arms outward, look forward, breathe. Good. Come back, and then bend your knee, bring the right knee on the ground, adjust, and then push your hip down. Make sure that the 90 degree angle maintained here, your hips are pressing, you are feeling stretch around this area, to your hips, back, breathe. Good. Then chain the leg, right foot forward, left leg back, pressing the leg back if you need to. Check the 90 degree angle here, hip down, look forward, and breathe. Good. Then leg back and lay onto your belly. Check your hands under your shoulders, forehead down, and feet together. And push with your hands, lift your head up, shoulders up, chest up, and then relax your shoulders, tuck your elbows by the side, hold and breathe. Good. Come down and lay onto your back. Then bend your knees. Palm flat on the ground, palm pressing onto the ground, help you lift your hips up. And on the next inhalation, you are going to lift your hips up all the way, Rotate your shoulders inward and then either keep pressing your hands into the ground or interlock your fingers, pressing the hand into the ground, or support your back with your hands, whichever feels the most easy and convenient in your own body. Hold and breathe. Good. Then gently come down. Stretch legs out. Feet apart, hands apart, palm facing upward the ceiling. Core pose, Savasana. Let go and relax.